How to delete your Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Account Center. Following this, you'll see Manage Accounts at the bottom. Once done, tap on Instagram and select the Manage button right beside it. From here, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. At this stage, select Deletion Account instead of Deactivation, as deletion is permanent. After this, choose a reason for deletion from the drop-down menu. Once completed, tap Continue and enter your password to confirm. Finally, tap on Delete Account to permanently remove it from Instagram. Your account will be scheduled for deletion and permanently removed after 30 days. You can cancel the deletion by logging in again within this period. And that's it. If this deletion guide helped you remove your Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.